Hi everyone, and a special shout out to you for watching this video. Okay, this video is going just about thrifting and that type of stuff again. Thrifting some of the clothes that I bought, and some even of the things that I have, stuff like that. But first I want to introduce you actually to the moms of all the families. So this is Sally. I think you know her the most. She's staying in the main house with her family. She's like more the modern type of lady, and so she likes to dress modernly, and like also she likes clothing, and she adores shoes. So yeah, this is Sally, and then this is Mary. This is Sally's younger sister. She's going to stay in an apartment that I'm going to build above Sally's home, and then yeah, like I said, she's the younger sister, and the wild one. She still likes to party and be dressed up like party like and ultra modern and that type of thing. And yeah, she also loves the shoes, and she loves to dress sexy. And like I said, the younger sister of Sally. And then we've got Steffi. Steffi is the next door neighbor, but also the friend. So Steffi is going to stay in the house that I bought, that wooden house that I'm going to renovate. So for now, she's going, that's going to be her and her family's home. She's more the conservative one, and yeah, she will dress also according to conservative and like a bit of old stylish and that type of thing. She is a bit shy, as I can put it. So yeah, with all that said, now I know this. Okay, I figure out that this is actually a set. I didn't last know, but yeah, this is actually a skirt and a blouse or jacket set with the handbag. So I'm going to change nothing to this. I'm going to leave for Steffi in this blouse. And then this is also the one doll came with this blouse. That's the single one, and she's there's nothing wrong with this dress. Just get the legs right. So also I'm gonna leave this dress as is because there's nothing wrong here. There's just a small little thing with Sally's. The velcro doesn't want to work anymore on the pants, but I'm gonna replace it with little clips because I actually like clips more, and that's what I have to do here. So otherwise I'm going to the other clothes, and then yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's get started. for the next clothes, I don't think there's any. I don't know if I will wear this. Maybe Stephanie will wear that, but I'm not going to do anything to change it. I think it's a nice little dress. It was made with love, so I'm not going to change anything on this dress as well. Okay, and even this is all set with handbag and the hat. Also maybe for Stephanie. So I'm not going to change anything here. And here is some pajamas. I just adore the pajamas. I still don't know if this is a dress or pajamas. I just think it's too short for a dress. Maybe a blouse. I don't know, but I'm going to take it as pajamas. But yeah, it needs a quick fix. I'm going to do that quickly. And then I think this is another set of just casual. Well, I'm going to take it as a set of just casual pajamas. What does the t-shirt is? Until someday maybe I will make a top for this pajama pants. Yeah, so that is all, and there's nothing here, so I'm just quickly going to fix this here. Okay, so there it is also fixed now, and I know this will fit the mum for Sally. So yeah, I think this is going to be Sally's pajamas. So that's all fixed. Let's see the next bunch. Okay, this is just I don't know. I don't think it's for Ken. I think it's for the Barbie. But yeah, maybe for Stephanie. And this is for a Ken. So I don't know if I will wear it. There's nothing wrong with it. So yeah. And this short, I know it fits. I presume it was long pants that someone cut it short. So I'm just going to neaten it off with the cut because the one side is not the same as the other side. I don't think I'm going to also worry about the hem in here. And I know this was working close because it didn't fit. So I'm going to take that off and see if I can do something there. This is a nice dress. There's nothing wrong with this dress here. So yeah, maybe for Mary, I think that will fit very nice. But yeah, and then this is, I don't know if it's a like a poncho or a skirt, and I presume it is ponchos, or well, maybe even, see, because of this I think it's a poncho. But yeah, more skirts, I don't know if I'm going to use that. And this is also a nice little set, but someone, I think they cut off this bottom piece, so I just want to try and neaten off a bit, but the skirt is nothing like that. This is something for the dad. I don't know if I must put another clip in here, and maybe might use it for the dad or for Ken or whichever one. But I'm not gonna use my I only got this for, so I must go and buy some others, so I'm not going to do that now. Let me just first see if I've got enough for other stuff. So yeah, the skirt is fine, so I just want to neaten this off. I don't know if I must try and put the seam in here. I don't think so. I'm just gonna and this is the last few. I'm not going to do anything to this. I'll put the belt around the waist. If I put this on, and then the skirt here is just maybe we can make a nice blouse for the skirt because I like it. I'm not going to change anything there. And then this is a nice flowerful jacket. The Velcro still works, so I'm not going to have to change anything here. This dress, I'm not going to do anything. I don't like it. Maybe someday I will take this part off and maybe just put another top on, because okay, it's too big in the first place and I don't like it. This top is a bit too old-fashioned. But yeah, I can maybe someday change something, but I'm not going to do that now. So yeah, the only thing is left is must I do something here. I'm going to need 2 and I only got 1 left. So I don't think on this stage I'm going to do something to this shirt for that, because I'm not going to wear it anyway. Maybe with a t-shirt underneath, I don't know. But yeah. So for all this that I made today, that's it. Maybe it's not a long video, but I hope you enjoyed, and please give it a thumbs up. But next is still some thrifting work up. It's some clothes of mine, some clothes of this is a lot of different stuff. So that's for next time, because there's more work on this. So this was just a quick one to do all the little small things on the clothes. But yeah, that's it now. So until next time, bye.